Good morning, students. I am quite well. I hope you will also quite well. Students, yesterday we discussed class 9 reading portion. We discussed comprehension, but due to some technical fault, it will not clear. So I am again revising this topic, class 9 subject English. Your topic is language portion, comprehension. Students, I want to tell you about the comprehension. Comprehension is very general topics, and in every examinations it is asked, and it is also asked in examination for 20 marks. Comprehension means to comprehend, understanding the passage. When any factual passage or descriptive passage are given in 300 to 450 words, you have to read the passage. Students, I want to tell you about the comprehension passage, how you attempt the passage. First of all, I want to tell you types of comprehension passage. There are 3 types of comprehension passage. 3 types of, first is a reading. Reading is very general method. Second is a testing method, and third is a gisting method. If you know these 3 methods, then you can attempt any questions, because every questions are not depend on reading method. Students, reading method is very clear. Passage is given and questions are asked. You read the passage. Sometimes you read once, it is clear. Sometimes question is not clear, so you should read once, twice, thrice. आप उसको एक बार, 2 बार, अधिकतम 3 बार, जब तक क्लियर न हो जाए, you should read. So you, for reading, what should we observe? What are the main points when we attempt the reading questions? Students, in reading portion, we should find out the main word, oblique keywords. It is very clear formula कि when you read the questions, you should read the main word or keyword of the question, and you will find out. It means you should go through line to line and word to word, then you will get the answer. I hope this method is very clear. Next method, testing method. Student, testing method is typical. This method is typical. You cannot attempt easily, because in this method you have to requirement structures, words, just like antonyms, opposite words, synonyms, then you can observe it. It means testing method, questions are given just like I am giving questions. जैसे find out the meaning of this word, write the opposite of this word from paragraph 3, write the antonym of this word from paragraph 2. It means you have to revise the questions. If you are not aware, you have no knowledge of word power, structures, antonyms, synonyms, then you cannot attempt. It means students, if for testing method you should know antonyms. एक word में हम we can say vocabulary. Vocabulary means word power, antonyms and synonyms. If you know this, then you can attempt testing method, because 2 and 3 questions are asked from this method. So I hope this is very clear. For this you should read the passage and you should go through line to line, word to word, and you will get the meaning of the word. Sometimes yeah, it is very clear. Antonyms or opposite words or synonyms are given in the passage, only you have to find out. Students, next method is a gisting method. Gisting method is very clear, because sometimes 1 or 2 questions are asked. Either it is the example of comprehension passage or unseen passage. Both are same. Gisting method means when you read the whole passage, it is a factual passage or descriptive passage, but you should read the passage. For gisting method, gist means होता है summarizing. It means when you conclude the passage, when you find out the gist of the passage. Sometimes questions are asked, write the summary of the passage. What is the clear concept of the passage? What is the theme of the passage? Students, then you can sort out, you can write the questions very clearly. Students, I hope these are three categories of comprehensions that we can find out the questions: reading method, testing method, gisting method. If you read it, if you revise, I hope it will very clear. Students, I hope this video is very clear to all of you. Thanks. Next topic in next video.